big man, but safely landed for Team Karma. 1 run added to the scorecard of Team Karma. Next ball from the bowler. Again, a same shot, same result. 1 bounce to the fielder. Misfield causes 2 runs. Sensible running by UD and the partner from Team Karma. Please, Sagara, Ningalkum Nema Badagamana. We are on a timer. Nevamella or Komodipole Badagamana, please. Ningalum Sertiku timer is on. 3 runs to the scorecard. First maximum for Team Karma from the blind of Rajiv are here. The partner UD7 just to stay there and connected from the man Rajiv. Another cheeky one. Wicket, yes. Dismissal for the batter. Come back from the bowler. The Rajiv, the man, departs for Team Karma. First wicket down. Sharat do batter for Team Karma. The young talents are in the pocket of Karma team. Here comes another younger boy. His name is Sharat, bowling into Hakim. Oh, this time boundary. The fielder is not happy. I think the misjudgment of the fielder. The ball bounced over to the fielder. As a boundary, runs are adding by Team Karma. Scorecard 13-1-3, loss of 1 wicket, 1 ball remaining over. Again, a good ball. It's a wide ball. Late call by the leg umpire, Surya. It's a wide ball. It's a wide ball. 1 run extra. Ah. Another good ball, a perfect line from the bowler. Overdone his scorecard 14-1-4, loss of 1 wicket of Team Karma on a second round matches on Sagara Cup Season 4. Please, timer we are on. I am a reminder for Sagara. Is batting until UT7, the backbone of Team Karma, the backbone of tennis ball cricket in Kerala, the pride of Trivandrum, the Trivian boy, into the striking end. The bowling until the man from Sagar, his name is Shalan. High up in the air, but safely landed. At the maximum for Team Karma from the blind of UD7. Scorecard 20 run loss of 1 wicket. Another beauty, perfect connection. The timing was impeccable for the man UD7. So elegant and beauty. It's an inborn talent, nothing special for that. It's the usual things I'm doing at UD7 for Team Karma here. Again, a time for the bigger one. The timing is not good for the batter. Another dot ball for Team Sagara. The second round matches we are witnessing on a Sagara Cup Season 4 between Karma versus Team Sagara Venganur. The local boys are bowling into. Oh, another biggie, much bigger. The willow bat is peaking high voltage. Nothing special for UD7. It's a habit of the man. That's why we are called the pride of Kerala tennis ball cricket and the pride of Trivian. Another boot into the commentary box. So elegant and magnificent shot played by UD7. We are in a too much hot, but the raining sixes from the man UD7. As a land of Venganur. Oh, another bigger one. Oh my goodness. Magnificent, staggering. How to describe that, Umesh Dam? It's overdone here. Right-hander hitter in an action. He's leading from the front. He's a warrior for Team Karma here. Scorecard 44 runs after 2 overs. 44 runs after 2 overs. It seems like a high-scoring game. 101 is the highest total of this season. Let me wait for that. Karma is aiming for the highest total of the tournament. The story continues. This time, another younger boy joined the party with UD7. Experienced campaigner, younger boy. Hammered it again. Sagara bowlers are in a struggle mode. Another one, so elegant from Sharat. They're killing the bowlers of Sagara. The local boys are flying in the sky on the land of Venganur. Wonderful cricket we are witnessing. To finest batters, UT and Sharat. Hitting hard. Oh, this time, good ball from the bowler. 2.3 overs, score 56 runs, 2 over 50 kadakkunna team total for Team Karma. Oh, another good bowling, This time, he got sport to bowl. He got a line and length for the bowler. His name is Richu from Sagara. 2-dot ball. Oh, this time Sharat says that I have to hit a 6 for you, man. Not a one. Runs are flowing. Oh my goodness. We are witnessing a wonderful cricket. Tremendous shot we are playing the right-handers from Karma. Sixes are flowing. Sagara team have to rethink about that. They have to work a lot. They are done with the toss, but UT and the man Sharat killing the bowlers here. After 3 overs, 68 runs scorecard, loss of 1 wicket. It seems like a 100-score game. They are trying for the highest total of a team set by Sagara Cup on a season 4. New bowler, Jitu. Again, good start to the over with the dot ball. And we have two social platform cricket team and a Crickville. They are capturing a wonderful moment of Sagara Cup Season 4. Oh, it's well like a trace of bullets. UD7, a surprise from the bowler from Richu. Jitu, sorry for that. Jitu. Chandrajit is a full line. It's coming from straight out of Dubai. Oh, Richu is go to Dubai. Is done by UT7. Sixes are flowing. I think the most sixes are done by the innings. It's a record done by Team UT7. They are written a new record of Sagara Cup Season 4. 74 runs, the loss of 1 wicket after 3.3 overs. Runs are flowing. Another one fielder there. Good stop. Saving a boundary for their team. Saving 3 runs. And 2 balls remains over. Batting into Sharat. 3.4 overs. 75 runs. Loss of 1 wicket. Oh, easy one for Sharat. Perfect sound of the bat. Not a maximum. 81 runs. Expensive over coming for the local boys. They are struggling there. Truly say that. They are still struggling there. They are conceding too much sixes. Grounded one. Fielder. Just a sink into the scorecard of Team Karma. It's overdone. Scorecard 82 runs after 4 overs. 82 runs after 4 overs of a Team Karma. 82 runs. ഒരു പക്ഷേ അവസാന ഓവറിൽ റൺസ് ഒഴുക്ക് തടയാൻ സഗാഡ ടീം ആരെയായിരിക്കും പന്ത് ഏൽപ്പിക്കുക. Let me wait for that. 82 റൺസിലേക്ക് എത്തുന്ന ടീം കർമ്മ. 24 ബോളുകളിൽ 82 റൺസ്. അവസാന ഓവർ എറിയാൻ സഗാഡ കണ്ണൻ. Dot ball to start. പക്ഷേ അവസാന ഓവറിൽ ഒന്ന് കത്തിക്കയറാൻ ശരത് UT7 അതിന് തടയിടാൻ അവസാന 5 പന്തുകൾ എറിഞ്ഞു മാറാൻ കണ്ണൻ. Oh, beautiful. It's a elegant shot. My goodness. Wonderful cricket shot played by the man Sharat to the offside. Connection was perfect. Another dot ball. 88 runs, loss of 1 wicket, 4.3 overs. 88. Sharat's batting in 41 from 13 balls. Brilliant stuff from the younger boy. It's a final cracker from Sharat again. He's the man leading from the front. And the noise again, the experienced campaigner just watching and this time another dot ball here. What a innings played by the man. Sharat for Team Karma here. He scored a 47 run from 15 ball. Let me wait for that. Another 50 of second tee. Support try. Grounded one. Field there. Single taken. As the innings done, scorecard. 95 runs. Sahara needed 96 runs from 5 overs. That's the equation they wanted. It's not an easy task for Sagara. Karma have a better bowling department. They have young talents like Jomon is a lefty boy. But the local boys are trying for the quarter-final slot. Time for the second innings. Yes, എത്ര പെട്ടെന്ന് please Sagara batters സമയം കൃത്യമായി നിങ്ങൾ പാലിക്കുക please. The time is 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. Please, two batters from Sagara. We are calling two captains of Stain Chase. Please, next match between two teams, Stain Chase versus Team Narasimha. I'm calling a captain of Team Stain Chase 11 for the tossing time. Please, I'm requesting a captain of Team Stain Chase 11, tossing Aithuka. Yes, please make it fast, umpires. 96 runs. ഒരു അറിയിപ്പ് കൂടി നിങ്ങൾ തീരുമാനം അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ അറിയിക്കുക. അല്ലാത്ത പക്ഷം സമയം വെറുതെ ലാഗായി പോകും. പ്ലീസ് നിങ്ങൾ സഹകരിക്കുക, കർശനമായി പാലിക്കുക നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങൾ. ടോസ് വൺ ചെയ്യുന്ന ടീം തീരുമാനം അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ അറിയിക്കുക. Narasimha versus Team Strangers. Here come UD7 with the ball, batting it till right-hander boy from Sagara, Anantu. 96 out to chase. First of all, full one delivery. UD has a bunch of experience. Nothing more to tell about UD7. Everyone knows that he is an inborn talent player with a bat, with a ball. Is a born for cricket. Another perfect one. Another perfect one delivery. It's a legal one. It's a wide ball review taken from batting team. It's a dot ball. It's like another grounded one. Just a single. Narasimha won the toss and they elected to ball first on a next match between two teams. Narasimha versus Team Strangers 11. Narasimha won the toss and they elected to ball first here. High up in the air. Who won it? Oh, misfield is a half chance for the fielder. The sunlight was the problem for the fielder. The vision was not clear. But a good tie from the fielder from Team Karma. 3 runs on the scorecard after 4 overs, 2 balls remaining. Another single run, 4 runs. It's a good start for Team Karma, not a good for Team Sagara Benganur. They have to hit the boundaries. That's the only hope for one match. For that, either they are out of the tournament. 1 ball remaining. Another chance, a keeper there. Finally taken safer hands. The first wicket down for Team Sagara. Brilliant start for Team Karma. Scorecard. 4 runs, a loss of 1 wicket. 4 runs, a loss of 1 wicket after 1 over. Team Sagara. Here come the young talent, young gun from Karma department. Lefty pacey bowler. Jomon in an action. The rare piece of a lefty bowlers in tennis ball cricket. One among them, his name is Jomon. He's playing for Karma here. Another grounded one. Feeding safely. Single to the scorecard of a team. Sakara Wenganu. They have to hit a boundary. Singles are not working for team Sakara Wenganu. Brilliant bowling from Team Karma. Another brilliant bowling. The left hand, lefty fingers are working wonderful for Team Karma here. The magical deliveries from the hands of a lefty boy, Jamon. Wide ball, but what a beauty from lefty boy. The batter has no idea. He's playing his home ground, but Jamon says that I have something special with my hands. I do something special for Team Karma. Again a white ball. Two extra considered by Jamon. Scorecard 7 run loss of 1 wicket, 1.3 overs. 21 ball, 89 needed for Team Sakara Venganur. Connected this side. Clear the boundary line comfortably. Maximum for Team Sakara. Was maximum for Team Karma. 18 runs, 1-3 loss of 1 wicket, 1.4 overs. Full of one delivery. Batter has a stay there. Jamon is a brilliant bowling figures for Jamon. Only consider 9 runs. 1 ball is remaining. Oh, again a brilliant ball. This time again a white ball. It's a white ball from Jamon. He's trying to bowl to the offline, but this time it's a white ball. Legal one, end of an over. Scorecard 14 and loss of 1 wicket. Brilliant start for Team Karma. Sakara Vengadurinte batters ഒരു പക്ഷേ ഒന്ന് പരുങ്ങലിലാക്കുന്നു. 96 എന്ന വിജയം താണ്ടാൻ ഇനിയുമേറെ ഈ മൈതാനത്ത് കഷ്ടപ്പെടേണ്ടി വരും താരങ്ങൾക്ക്. തങ്ങളെ ഹോം മൈതാനത്ത് ഒരു പക്ഷേ അഡ്വാൻറ്റേജ് എടുക്കാനാകാതെ കഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്ന താരങ്ങൾ. Karma is into the game. This time another ball from Karma. Oh, tries edge. Keeper tries, but the ball touches the boundary line. Lucky for the batter. Lucky for the batter. Another righty pacer. It's a white ball. Another extra conceded by this time the bowler from Team Karma, Anu. Scorecard 90 and loss of 1 wicket. 17 ball, 77 needed. 17 ball, 78 runs. High up in the air. The field under needed. And comfortably taken from the fielder of Karma. Another wicket is down for Team Sakara Venganur. The batting department struggle there. They are failed in the bowling. This time they are worried about the batting department of Team Sakara. It's a dot ball to start. Another dot ball. Sakara Venganur not in the picture. The game is in the hands of Karma. Sakara is tangled there. It's a dot ball again. 90 runs and a 2-wicket down. Oh, another brilliant ball. What a department they have. Jomon this time, Manu. The Karma have a young talent, the young blood. It's overdone. 19 loss of 2 wickets. 12 ball വിജയലക്ഷ്യം 77 runs. ഇനിയുള്ള 12 ബോളുകൾ ഒരു പക്ഷേ മിറാക്കിൾ സംഭവിക്കേണ്ടി വരും. It's time, another bowler again. Solomon with the dot ball. Sorry to say that Sakara batters struggle there. They are not in the picture. Karma is taking the game away from Sakara Venganur. Oh, bowls. Another wicket is down. Another wicket is gone for Team Sakara. Another wicket is down here. Another wicket is down for Team Sakara Venganur. ഇനിയുള്ള പന്തുകൾ ഒരു പക്ഷേ എറിഞ്ഞ് മാറിക്കളയുകയായിരിക്കും കർമ്മയുടെ പ്ലാൻ. Another ball from Solomon batting until the white ball to start. To batter Chandrajit playing for Sakara. But the time is too far away for Team Sakara. Game still in the hands of Karma. Another brilliant from Solomon, another dot ball. The first innings we are witnessing a wonderful sixes from there, but this time we are witnessing a dot ball from Sakara innings. That's the difference between Karma and Sakara Venganur. Another dot ball. Time for the reverse one. The time is not good. Another dot ball. Karma, you are into the game. Easily. Another brilliant ball from Solomon. As first innings we are witnessing raining sixes. This time we are witnessing raining dot balls. It's overdone here. It's overdone. Overdone. Only 6 balls to bowl for the second innings. And the Karma are into the quarter-final slot of a Sagara Cup Season 4 here. White ball to start. Another extra run for Team Karma. Another white ball. 2-run extra conceded by the bowler from Team Karma. 22 runs, loss of 3 wickets. That's the equation. Oh, finally, a one hit for Team Sagara Venganur. That's a relief from the batter. The local boys are hitting a maximum for their crowds, their homeland. It's a no ball. It's a no ball. It's a no ball. Another dot ball again. "29 runs, the loss of 3 wickets, 4.2 overs, 4 ball, 67 needed." As by boundary. பதினொன்று minute. 33 runs. At the dot ball, it's time for the quarter-final. Let me wait for the 2 balls to bowl and officially says that the Karma are into the quarter-finals and fight against Dr. Ambekar team. Dr. Ambekar, please be ready. Now do it. Only 1 ball to bowl. An official statement from my mouth for the quarter-finalist Karma versus team Dr. Ambekar. They fight in the quarter-finals of Sagara Cup Season 4. Only 1 ball to bowl. And Sagara Benganur. Yes, and confirmation. Official statement from commentary box. Next match in the quarter-finals. Big match is coming up. Karma versus team Dr. Ambekar on a quarter-final. On a Sagara Cup Season 4. And a big match coming, and I'm over to Abdul Basi, the Sultan of Malappuram.
And thank you so much. വലിയൊരു applause നൽകേണ്ട സമയമാണ് ടീം കർമ്മയ്ക്ക്. തുടർച്ചയായ 3ാമത്തെ മത്സരവും കളിക്കാമെന്നേറ്റ കർമ്മയുടെ ടീം മാനേജ്മെന്റിനോട് പ്ലേയേഴ്സിനോട് തീർത്താൽ തീരാത്ത കടപ്പാട് സഹാറ ടൂർണമെന്റ് കപ്പിന്റെ ഈ ഒരു മാനേജ്മെന്റ് അറിയിക്കുന്നു.